a newcomer?
Yes, I have joined this college last year.
Do you want something snacks or tea?
Yes, I will drink tea.
Bro, auntie, how is the college?
It's really good. The environment and everything, I feel different something.
What?
About better people.
Of course.
Bro, you notice about better people? They all walk like they have serial machine going on.
Bro, if they are just going to buy bread, they look so serious. Like Operation Paupaj.
Haha. Have you seen the big culture? Everyone rides like they are in passing for a Saudi. No helmet, full confidence.
Good, bro. I'm late for nothing, but I must finish fast. Bro, one thing, if someone says, let's have chai in 5 minutes, just know it means 20.
Welcome to Better Standard Time. Bro, from emergency, I have to go. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.